Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use gel medium with acrylic paint. Gel medium is a versatile additive that can dramatically change your painting experience. It allows you to build texture, extend your paint, and even create transparent glazes. Understanding its properties is the first step to unlocking new creative possibilities in your artwork. We will explore how to choose the right type and integrate it seamlessly into your painting process. Once you have your gel medium, the next step is mixing it with your acrylic paint. Always start by adding a small amount of gel medium to your paint, gradually increasing the ratio until you achieve your desired consistency and effect. You can use brushes, palette knives, or even your fingers to apply the mixture. Remember, the more gel medium you add, the more transparent and textured your paint will become. Practice different ratios to discover unique visual outcomes. Gel medium is fantastic for creating rich textures and impasto effects. Heavy gel medium, in particular, allows you to build up thick, sculptural layers that stand off the canvas. You can apply it directly or mix it with paint to create bold strokes and three-dimensional forms. Don't be afraid to experiment with different tools like palette knives to create varied textures. For very thick applications, ensure each layer dries thoroughly to prevent cracking and ensure stability. Beyond texture, gel medium is excellent for achieving beautiful glazes and transparent effects. Fluid gel medium is ideal for this purpose. By mixing a small amount of paint with a larger proportion of fluid gel, you can create translucent layers that allow previous colors to shine through. Apply these glazes in thin, even coats, building up color and depth gradually. This technique adds luminosity and complexity to your artwork, creating a sense of light and atmosphere.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.